Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Today I will try to explain how to write 20 lines about the Dr. Ambedkar. Point number 1. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, born on April 14, 1891, was a prominent Indian jurist, economist, social reformer, and political leader. Point number 2. He is widely recognized as the principal architect of the Indian Constitution. Point number 3. Ambedkar faced the several discrimination due to his Dalit background, but he overcame it through the education and determination. Point number 4. He was the strong advocate for social justice, equality, and the rights of the marginalized communities. Point number 5. Ambedkar played a crucial role in abolishing untouchability and ensuring the equal rights for the Dalits. Point number 6. He was also the champion of women's rights and education. Point number 7. He converted to Buddhism in 1956, a significant step towards the spiritual and social liberation. Point number 8. His legacy continues to inspire the millions as a symbol of equality and justice. Point number 9. He chaired the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Point number 10. He served as the Indian's first law minister. Point number 11. Ambedkar was an erudite, the economist and institution builder. Point number 12. He authorized many scholarly treatises on the economics. Point number 13. He was the driving force behind the establishment of the Finance Commission of India. Point number 14. His ideals also laid the foundation for the Reserve Bank of India. Point number 15. He advocated for the rights and welfare of the workers through his organization, the Independent Labour Party, that means ILP. Point number 16. He played a pivotal role in shaping the labor reforms in India as the labor minister in the Viceroy Executive Council. Point number 17. Ambedkar was the prolific writer, orator, and intellectual. Point number 18. He was the revolutionary figure who challenged the existing social order. Point number 19. He was the revivalist of the Buddhism in India. Point number 20. He continues to be an inspiration for generations seeking the social change and justice. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar earned a total of 32 degrees throughout his academic career. These included a BA, MA, MSc, PhD, LLD, DSc, D Literature, and Barrister at Law, among the others. He also received several honorary degrees from the different universities. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share and watch my playlist. Thank you.